Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can manage OneDrive storage. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer, and the first thing that you need to do guys is open the File Explorer. So right now, you might find it here in the bottom, or if you don't find this right here, just go to the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Open, and then you're gonna be right here in this window. So basically guys, once you're here, right here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the home section, gallery, and here you're going to find OneDrive section. So right now, go ahead and right click on the OneDrive section. And then here you're going to find all of these options. You're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open it in a new tab, open a new window, and so on. And here you're going to find the option to always keep on this device, free up space, and lastly here you're going to find OneDrive. So basically guys, right now, go ahead and click on OneDrive. And then once you do that right here, you're going to find these three options: view online, settings, and lastly folder color. So right now, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you click on settings, as you can see guys, right here, you're going to find your storage right here. As you can see guys, I used zero point 0.1 gigabyte out of 5 gigabytes. There is another way to see your storage is by right clicking again right here, go to OneDrive and then go to view online. Once you do that, you're gonna be right here in this page on the web. Once you're here, as you can see guys, in the bottom, you're gonna find how much storage you used. And if you want to free up some space, all you need to do guys is go here to my files section. And then once you do that, you need to free up some space by deleting some files that you don't need. So just choose and select the files you want to delete. And then here in the top, you're going to find these options. And right here, as you can see, guys, you can delete your files. If you are sure, click on delete and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.